Okay, everyone, you never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason because fire alarms are not something to be messed around with. They are not toys. They are very serious life safety devices that alert people when there is a fire in the building so they can evacuate the building immediately and also notify the fire department to come and put that fire out. So this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why you never ever mess with fire alarms in any public building. Never pull fire alarms for fun and never tamper with fire alarm equipment. That is a big no. You don't ever do that. If you do that, you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police. Because that is public endangerment and it is very illegal behavior as well. The good news is that there is technology to prevent fire alarm tampering. Stopper covers, tamper screws. You put all of those in public buildings, and that will keep people from messing with the fire alarm system. Bye.